हर टैक्स सेविंग ऑप्शन की अपनी खूबी है, लेकिन अगर आप कंपैरेटिवली हायर रिटर्न्स की तलाश में हैं और कम लॉक इन पीरियड चाहते हैं तो ELSS इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर यू। हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू धन। Today, in our mutual fund series, we are focusing on a topic every Indian taxpayer wonders about: tax saving mutual funds. मैं हूं धैर्य गंगवानी और आज हम समझेंगे what tax saving options are available in mutual funds with a special focus on ELSS. Let's dive in and explore how you can save taxes and make smart investment choices. Tax saving mutual funds in India are primarily known as equity linked savings scheme or ELSS. These offer a great blend of tax benefits and potential for high returns by investing in the stock market. But what makes ELSS stand out? Let's find out. Understanding ELSS funds. The Indian Income Tax Act provides a whole host of eligible deductions you can use to reduce the amount of tax you pay to the government. These deductions are a part of Chapter 6A of the Act. अब इसी चैप्टर 6A के सेक्शन 80C मेंशन करता है that investments made in equity linked savings scheme are eligible for tax deductions. The maximum amount you can avail as deduction under ELSS are rupees 1,50,000. ELSS funds invest in the stock market and are subject to a lock-in period of 3 years, the shortest amongst all section 80C investments. ELSS funds की सबसे बड़ी खूबी है उनका short term lock-in period और tax deduction under 80C. Let's compare ELSS with other tax saving options. There's PPF, Public Provident Fund, fixed deposit, NSCs, National Savings Certificate, and more. PPF offers tax-free returns but has a 15-year lock-in period. Fixed deposit with a 5-year lock-in period offer fixed returns but are taxable. NSCs also have fixed returns with a 5-year lock-in. Compared to these, ELSS stands out for its shorter lock-in period and the potential for higher market-linked returns. हर tax saving option की अपनी खूबी है, लेकिन अगर आप comparatively higher returns की तलाश में हैं और कम lock-in period चाहते हैं तो ELSS is the right option for you. How to choose the right ELSS fund? Selecting the right ELSS is crucial. Consider factors like the fund's past performance, the fund manager's experience, the expense ratio, and the fund house's reputation. अपनी फाइनेंशियल गोल्स और रिस्क टॉलरेंस के हिसाब से ELSS फंड चुनना बहुत जरूरी है. Remember, you can diversify within ELSS too. Yes, आप multiple ELSS funds में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं and still get a total of rupees 1.5 lakhs as deduction. There is no restriction of investing all your money in one fund only. To wrap up, ELSS funds offer a unique advantage in tax saving with the potential for high returns. They stand out among other tax saving options for their shorter lock-in period and market-linked growth potential. We hope this video gives you a clearer perspective on tax saving mutual funds. For more insightful content, do like, share and subscribe to Dhan. Until next time, stay informed and make smart financial decisions.
Investments in the securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.